In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the AC compressor on your Scion IA. It's going to be located on the bottom of the engine. Let's get started. Before completing your repair, be sure to bring your car down to the local shop and have them evacuate your AC system. Using a 10mm socket, go around the shield and remove all of the bolts. Go around and remove all of the plastic clips for the under tray. We're going to use a pair of clip pliers. Grab a hold of the shield and remove the last clip and remove the shield. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to get on the serpentine belt tensioner. We're going to pull our bar towards the front of the car, which is going to take the tension off of our belt. And we're going to be able to slide this off of our pulley and then release the tension. Now on top of the car, we're going to look down and we're going to see our AC compressor. We're going to reach down and undo the connector. I'm going to use a pick to help me depress the button and then pull the connector straight back. This is the connector you're looking at. There's your push tab. I used my pick right here, pushed on it, pulled straight back. Pull that harness up and out of the way. We're going to use a 10mm socket and remove the bolts for our AC lines. Remove the AC lines from the compressor. When you pull these lines off, we're going to take a look at our O-rings. You want to take a look at them, make sure they're not ripped, torn, or anything that's going to cause them not to seal properly. Check this on both lines. We have three 12mm bolts holding our AC compressor to the engine. We have two up top and one on bottom. We're going to get the first one up top. We have one more 12 on the top, all the way on the back of the compressor. We have one more 12mm bolt right here on bottom. This is our last bolt holding this compressor in, so once it's starting to come out, we want to make sure we get a hand on this compressor so it doesn't fall on us. Remove the bolt. Remove the AC compressor from the vehicle. We're going to drain all of the old compressor oil into a cup. You're going to add that amount of compressor oil to the new compressor. Be sure to use the correct type. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolts. Remove the rear cover, and this is where you'll add your oil. Add the correct amount, the amount that came out of your compressor. Now that we've added our oil, we're going to put that cap back on and we're ready to install. Install the bottom bolt into the compressor. Get the compressor up into the vehicle. make sure your hoses are out of the way. Get the compressor fully seated and get that bottom bolt started. Snug the bottom bolt down. Install the 2 top bolts into the compressor and get them started by hand. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 11 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Now on the bottom of the car, go ahead and do the same thing. Torque that bolt to 11 foot-pounds. Remove the plug out of the compressor and get your line installed. Be sure to check the O-rings on both of the compressor lines. Make sure they're in good shape. If you're going to replace them, be sure to lubricate them with some new PAG oil. Get the bolt started and do the same thing on the other line. Torque the bolts to 9 foot-pounds. Grab the connector, install it down into place, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. We're going to pull the tension off of our tensioner and get our belt installed around our new AC compressor. Be sure that the belt is sitting correctly on all of the other pulleys, sitting in the grooves where it should and on the flats where it should. If you fully remove the belt, here's a diagram for you to install. Install the splash shield under the vehicle. Hinge it up in the back, and we're going to get our clip started. Go around and get all of your clips installed. Go around and install all of the 10mm bolts. Go across the whole front. Now that we've installed our new compressor and condenser, we're going to set up our AC machine and recharge our system. In your case, you're going to take it down to the shop and have them recharge the system for you.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.